Are you looking for a perfect move-in ready home with everything redone down to the electric and pipes? Well, if you are, you're gonna wanna check out this gorgeous new home we are putting on the market in West Caldwell, New Jersey. Welcome to 263 Central Ave in West Caldwell, New Jersey. So welcome to this beautiful home. We have a huge living room here with fresh refinished floors, brand new windows, and I love this area. You have the floating shelves, the built-in cabinets, this gorgeous fireplace, and I love how this is an electric fireplace. So all you have to do is click the button on and it goes on automatically for you. Beautiful custom cabinetry and woodwork. I love the little details that this home has, like the shiplap. So let's check out the formal dining room, which is here, and then my favorite part, the kitchen. This kitchen is my personal dream kitchen. It's absolutely stunning and has so many amazing features. So the first thing is I love this huge island that you could sit in as a breakfast bar. It has built-in cabinetry and the built-in microwave. This is all custom high-end quartz countertops. It goes all throughout the kitchen. You have the subway tiles, all gold finishes all throughout. So you have the gold faucet, soap dispenser, and I love this Farmhouse sink. All GE Pro stainless steel appliances all throughout, and one of my favorite features is this inlay with the gold, and I love this pattern. It's such a beautiful feature in this gorgeous kitchen. This home features 4 very spacious bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. All the bathrooms have Kohler features and there's high-end luxury detail throughout. Come take a look at this magnificent bathroom. The tile work is absolutely gorgeous. You have to see the primary bedroom. It has a huge closet and its own ensuite bathroom with a gorgeous shower with herringbone tiles, the rain shower head. It's such a beautiful space. I can't wait for you to check it out. Now we're in the lower level part of the home where the 4th bedroom is located. You have a huge rec room, which is perfect for family gatherings and movie nights. You have a brand new laundry room with washer and dryer and a full bathroom that's completely brand new. Lots of closet space. I mean, down here could be its own apartment. Some additional features of this home is a brand new water heater, new furnace, newer roof, has a 2-car garage with brand new doors, and the garage is extended. Lastly, this entire home can be controlled right from your smartphone. Everything is connected to the Wi-Fi, including the lights, thermostat to the front door. Everything is connected for your convenience. I hope you enjoyed this tour with me at 263 Central Ave in West Caldwell, New Jersey. I am so excited for this home to come on the market, and if you want a private showing, please contact us today and we can't wait to hear from you.